Hey, church family, I am so excited for today because we get to start trying to accomplish our goal of feeding 250,000 people in the Pittsburgh area. And this really is us living out our mission statement to love people in the North Hills. You know, Romans 12 tells us to never be lacking in zeal, but to keep our spiritual fervor in serving the Lord. It tells us to be joyful in hope, patient in affliction, and faithful in prayer. It reminds us that we are to share with the Lord's people who are in need, and ultimately to practice hospitality. And church, I'm so proud of you because that's what we're doing today. So I wanted to take a quick second and let everybody know how today is going to go. If you have kids that are under 7 years old and you're here to pack meals as a family for Light of Life, you'll exit our sanctuary towards the kids wing and head downstairs to MPC Kids to wait for further instruction. If you're sitting here today and you're wondering whether you are physically able to do the meal packing, don't worry, we have something for you. If you'd exit towards the kids ministry wing and head into the Houston rooms, you can cut out stamps for the Alliance Stamp Ministry, and that will make a huge difference for them. But if you're here to pack 100,000 meals with us, can you exit the sanctuary to the right, past the cafe, and on your way into Westminster, would you grab a hairnet and gloves and get ready to head back to pack food? We need you to go to the furthest table, and we need you to fill stations closest to the stage. There you will be greeted by several trainers for your table, and they'll be wearing lanyards to identify themselves. They will then instruct you and your table on how to proceed. Please give them your attention. This instruction is important so that we can get this job done as quickly as possible, and everyone at your table will need to hear this instruction. Church, I'm so proud of you, and I'm happy to serve alongside of you to try to bless this many people in our community through this service. Thank you for what you are doing to love people in these North Hills. Let's do this, church.